Minasan, konnichiwa. Do you often get confused with words like we or us, she or her, he or him? These are called subject and object pronouns in English. Welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today we're going to learn about subject and object pronouns. As you know, a regular sentence is made up of a subject, a verb, and an object. For example, the ballerina is dancing ballet. In this sentence, the ballerina is the subject, ballet is the object. If we want to change the word ballerina to a subject pronoun, we can use the word she in this situation. So we could say, she is dancing ballet. In this sentence, I'm excited to watch the ballerina. I'm excited to watch the ballerina. I is the subject and is a subject pronoun. The ballerina is the object. Here, we can change the ballerina to an object pronoun. So I could say, I am excited to watch her. Her is an example of an object pronoun. So today, we will look at the 14 different subject and object pronouns with examples. In English, when you talk about yourself, you use the pronoun I. I is the subject pronoun when you are talking about yourself. So, for example, I am an English teacher. Jen is an English teacher. My name is Jen. I am an English teacher. The object pronoun when you're talking about yourself is me. Thank you for studying English with me. I am Canadian. I enjoy when my friends from other countries come to visit me. I is the subject pronoun, me is the object pronoun. Next, we have you. When you're talking to a different person or a group of people, you can address that person or group of people as you. For example, you are studying English. You are learning a lot. The object pronoun is also you. Thank you for watching this video. Or if I'm talking to my husband, I might say to him, I love you. When we're talking about a man or a boy, a male, in English, we should use the subject pronoun he. So for example, he is at the beach. He is swimming. The object pronoun that we use for men is him. That beach toy belongs to him. The man is playing guitar. He is playing guitar. He has a beard. I enjoy listening to the man. I enjoy listening to him. Next, if we're talking about a female, a woman, a girl, we will use the subject pronoun she. So my previous example, she is a ballerina. In this example, she is a photographer. She is taking pictures. And the object pronoun for women is her. So the camera belongs to her. If you have a pet dog or cat or bird or hamster, whatever, the pet becomes like a member of your family. So usually with animals, we would use the subject pronoun it and the object pronoun it. But if the animal is like a member of our family, we know whether the animal is male or female. So my friend has a female kitten. My friend loves this kitten. So we could use she. The kitten likes to play. She likes to play. Next, let's take a look at it. It is used a lot in English. I already mentioned that it can be used for animals. The dog is black. It is black. It can also be used for the weather. It is snowing. It is snowing. It is also used for items and object. Chocolate is delicious. It is delicious. Those were examples of it as a subject pronoun. It can also be the object pronoun. I like eating chocolate. I like eating it. The dog likes the snow. The dog likes it. One other thing that it is used for in English is when you have a gerund as the subject or object of your sentence. Gerunds can also be replaced with the subject or object pronoun of it. A gerund is when you take a verb plus ing and use it as a noun in your sentence. For example, skating is fun. It is fun. As the object pronoun, I love skating. I love it. If you would like to learn more about gerunds in English, please check out the video over here that I've made about the differences between gerunds and infinitives in English. The next subject pronoun I want to take a look at is they. They can be used for a group of people, a group of just women, a group of just men, or a group of men and women together. For example, they are cycling. They are friends. They can also be used for a group of animals, So here are some monkeys. The monkeys are in the zoo. They are in the zoo. Them is the object pronoun when we're talking about they. I love watching the monkeys. I love watching them. They and them can also be used for items if you have more than one item. For example, pancakes are delicious. They are delicious. I want to eat the pancakes. I want to eat them. Board games are fun. They are fun. I enjoy playing board games. I enjoy playing them. If you would like to learn some board game English vocabulary, please check out that video over here. The last subject and object pronoun that we have is we and us. We and us is used when you're talking about a group or even just two people that includes you plus one or more other people. So in this video clip, Tomo and I are singing. We are singing. Would you like to sing with Tomo and I? Would you like to sing with us? We and us. We are eating. Our roommate made delicious food for us. So those are the 14 subject and object pronouns in English. I and me. You and you. He and him. She and her. It and it. They and them. We and us. I hope that you will be able to use these subject and object pronouns in your conversations and in your writing so that you can improve your English skills. And now it's time for Question of the Day. For today's question, I want you to practice what you have learned in this lesson. So, in the comments below, please write some sentences using subject and object pronouns. Then I will read your sentences. This is a great way for you to improve your English. Let me read your sentences. Please write those sentences in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. みんな勉強頑張ってね。じゃあね。